Hi guys, it's Brittany from Bronze, and today I'm going to show you my usual wash and go hair routine. For today's routine, I'm going to use the Mystic Black line by Novex, and it's supposed to be great for really curly hair. I have type 4A and 3C curls, and I also have a lot of heat damage at the top from straightening and blow drying my hair a lot. So for today, I'm not only going to wash and condition, but I'm also going to use their deep conditioning mask in order to kind of help with that heat damage going on and hopefully be able to save my curls or lack of curls. And then I'm going to style at the end, my hair at the end, with their leave-in conditioner. So don't forget to subscribe if you like this video and any of our other videos, and also please follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And yeah, so stay tuned to see more of how I achieved this easy wash and go look. Before getting started, I just wanted to show you guys the 4 products that I'll be using for this wash and go routine. The Novex Mystic Black collection was specifically created for drying damaged hair, which is perfect for this heat damage I have going on right now. I could really use a lot of moisture and hydration to get my curls back. So of course we're going to start off with the shampoo, and then I'm going to follow it up with the conditioner. So after using the shampoo and rinsing it out, I'm going to start sectioning my hair into 5 sections so that I'm able to easily apply the conditioner from root to tip and make sure that it's fully saturated. Now that I'm done sectioning my hair, I'm going to apply the conditioner to each section one by one. And as you can see, I tend to use more conditioner on the ends of my hair as opposed to the roots. And this is really just because my ends are more dry and damaged than my roots. So I'm just trying to give them a little bit more moisture. You can also see that I use a ton of conditioner, and I wouldn't really say that it's necessary. I know I'm not the only curly haired girl that does this, but yes, I know I use a lot. Once I'm done applying the conditioner, I'm going to put on my good old handy dandy shower cap and let the conditioner sit for about 5 minutes so that my hair can get really soft and is easier to detangle. After 5 minutes, I'm going to use a wide tooth comb to detangle my hair while the conditioner is still in it. I comb my hair from the ends to the root in order to prevent any damage and to be able to get the knots out easier that way. And since my hair gets tangled easily, after I'm done detangling each section, I just put it in a quick braid so that it doesn't get tangled up with any other loose hair. For extra deep conditioning, after I rinse out the conditioner, I'm going to apply the deep hair mask all over my hair and then let it sit for another 10 minutes. After rinsing out the deep conditioning mask, I'm now going to apply the leave-in conditioner by raking it through sections of my hair in order to kind of do a little bit more detangling and get just a little bit more definition. If you want more definition, I suggest using smaller sections, and you can also do the shingling method. I can do a video on that if you've never done that method before, so let me know in the comments if you're interested in seeing that. For this video, I wasn't really going for definition or for it to look too styled. I just wanted to do like a typical on-the-go wash and go that I usually do when I'm just in a hurry or just need to do a really quick hairstyle.
My man is your man, her is her man too. My man is your man, her that's her man. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, I just keep him satisfied through the weekend. You take, make her lose his mind every weekend. You take, think I got it covered for the weekend.
Now I'm going to use an afro pick just to give a little bit more volume at my roots because I prefer my hair to be bigger. It does get bigger when it dries, but this helps to add even more volume. And of course, gotta keep those edges down, so I'm gonna give a little natural edge slay with the Got To Be Glued gel.
My man is your man, her is her man too. My man is your man, her that's her man. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, I just keep him satisfied.
So this is my finished wash and go look. It is still pretty wet, and I do usually let my wash and goes air dry, but in the beginning of this video, in the intro, my hair is actually about 80% dry from blow drying it, and as you can see, I had a little bit more volume than I do now. Don't forget to check out the description box where there are instructions on how to enter our giveaway in order to win some of these Novex products. I think it did give my hair a lot of hydration and also a lot of definition in my curls. I also could tell in parts of my hair on the top that were heat damaged and kind of pretty straight that the moisture and hydration from these products gave a little bit more curl back in them. So I think I'm going to definitely keep on using this line, and of course try and stay away from heat as much as I can, even though I cannot promise you that. Also, please let me know what you think of this video in the comments and any other videos that you would like to see, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.